everyone. Myself Supreme Kaur from Sarasingh Shegil Academy, Mukandpur.
Myself Namanpreet Kaur from Sarasingh Shegil Academy, Mukandpur.
We are here and going to represent our model of theme Science and Technology for Sustainable Future and sub-theme Transportation and Communication. Our model title Capsule Transport System, showcasing innovative transport solution. Now, Naman is going to tell you the problem and the solution we have tried to solve.
The problem we have tried to solve is that the traditional transportation methods face many problems, including significant environmental impact, traffic congestion, and higher power consumption. Additionally, road and railway transportation systems increase emissions and delays due to the traffic and other disruptions. Now, the solution we have tried to solve this problem is that the capsule transportation. The capsule transportation system uses compressed air to propel the capsule through the pipeline. Now, Supreme is going to show you the working of this model.
So here is the working of the model. This is a compressor which generates necessary pressure in the pipeline. Secondly, we have used gate valve to maintain the pressure in the pipeline. Also, we have used capsule which is hollow in the center to accommodate and transfer goods from one place to another. When switch is on, you can see capsule starts moving from one city to another city. So this concludes the working of the model. Now Naman is going to tell you the advantages of this model.
There are many advantages of this model, like by using the compressed air, the capsule could achieve higher speed, which makes it more efficient.
By offering alternative to the traditional road transport, this system reduces traffic congestion.
With a controlled environment inside the pipeline, it reduces the chances of damage and accident to the goods.
This system produces no emissions, leading to clean and more sustainable transport solutions.
These advantages make the capsule transportation model a promising option.
In conclusion, the capsule transport system could make travel quicker and better for everyone. Thank you.